So after a Windows update, GitHub Git Bash stopped working. What I mean by this is when I right click on in any folder and click on show more options, it should show an option in the context menu, in the right click context menu itself, open Git Bash or open Git Bash here. But as you can see, it is not there in the options or in the context menu at all. So it was there, but it is not there right now. I can also show you that my Git Bash is also installed. So how can you bring it back to the context menu? And right click context menu. So you can open Git Bash inside any folder directly without, opening it on your home page or your desktop and then moving to cd current directory. You don't have to do that. You can open it directly inside a folder. So how to bring it back? How to bring the option back in the right click context menu? So first of all, what you need to do is you need to type in Windows plus R and type in regedit here. What it will do is it will open registry editor and it will allow you to edit it. Click on OK and click on yes. Okay, so this is the registry editor. What you need to do is you need to open this HK classes root. I have already opened it. Then scroll all the way down and you will find something called directory. I think I have missed it over here. Yes. So you'll find something called directory. Just open it and inside background, open background, and inside shell there are options like CMD, PowerShell or WSL. It can be different in your case. But what is missing over here is Git Bash is missing over here. So what you need to do is you need to right click on shell, click on new and click on key. Now type in bash and hit enter. Alright, so I think I did something wrong over here. Just close it. Right click, new, key, bash. Just a minute. Click on bash and double click on default. Now I need to type in git bash here. Click on OK and then you need to click on new and type in command and hit enter. Now in the command section, as you can see, value is not set. So this will be your command section. So for that, what you need to do is you need to type in git bash and open file location. It will take you to the location where the shortcut is located. Right click on it again and click on open file location. Now copy this path, and go back to over here and right click and paste. Just remove the quotation marks from over here and click on OK. Right now, if you go back to this any folder over here and right click on it and click on show more option, you can see Git Bash here. If you click on it, it will open a Git Bash terminal over here. But there's a problem with this. If you want to make this more noticeable, let's say if you want to also show an icon of Git Bash over here, what you can do is you can go back to this thing and right click on bash, click on new, click on string value, and this will be icon. Double click on over here, and in the value, what you need to do is you need to download this thing called gitbash.ico. It is .ico file. You can search it on Google and you can download it from there. Click on copy as path and paste it over here. Again, remove the quotation marks. Click on OK. And now if you go to over here and show more options, you can see Git Bash. And you can also open it. So yeah, this was all about today's video. Please do like and share this video and leave a comment.